Trini. In today's video I'm going to share a recipe for the most amazing shrimp burgers, and they are keto friendly and low carb. So for those of you on diets, or if you're just fasting for Lent, then this will be a great recipe for you to try out for sure. And I made them with 100% shrimp and seasonings. I find that when I buy it on the outside, they tend to be very dense and they have lots of fillers. So I figured that all my shrimp and seafood enthusiasts are gonna love this one. So it's kind of like an island keto shrimp burger because I used some green seasonings and hot peppers that we use back home in Trinidad and Tobago. So you know that this one is gonna be amazing. If you want to try out the recipe, keep watching to see how I do it. So here are the ingredients I like using to make the shrimp burgers. And you can add or omit any ingredients to match your taste or preference. I have chopped cilantro, shadow benny or culantro, scallion, and we call this chive back in Trinbago. A ton of finely chopped garlic, finely chopped onion, a small piece of ginger because we just want a very subtle flavor. Pimento peppers, and these are mild and flavorful but they don't carry too much heat. And some scotch bonnet peppers chopped very finely. And I'll also use some lemon zest. Sweet peppers can also be added, but it is not keto friendly. And eggs and breadcrumbs can also be added. Finely chop about 3/4 of the shrimp in a food processor until it becomes like a paste and very sticky. And chop the remaining quarter of the shrimp in big chunks. Now let's season the shrimp. Add salt, lemon, ginger, and now add your chopped seasonings and use your hand to mix everything together. Make sure you put lots of love into it. To form the patties, I like to use a cover, like a plastic cover. I saw this tip on Shore Strength on YouTube, so I'll post the link to his video in the description box below. So if you're eating the patties with bread, you want to use the bread as your reference. So you use the size of cover that matches with the bread. Either it's the same size of the bread or it's just a little smaller. So you want to wrap the cover with wax paper and brush just a little bit of oil so it's easier to come out. Pack the shrimp in and smoothen out the top. And now just flip it over and you have a nicely shaped shrimp burger. I'm doing smaller burgers, so I'll use the green cover. And I prefer using a plastic freezer bag because I find that the patties slide out easier without the use of oil. And this method helps you to achieve the same size of patties, or you can also use a measuring cup to help you out, or you can just eyeball it, whatever works for you. So from about 1.5 pounds of shrimp, I got 6 patties. They were 3 inches in diameter and 3/4 inch thick. And I cooked them right away, but if you have time, let them sit in the fridge for about 20 minutes to firm up. To a heavy bottom cast iron pan, I'm adding some oil, and I'm using avocado oil. You can use olive oil, coconut oil, or whatever oil that you prefer. And my heat is on medium. Add the burger patties in and let them cook for about 4 minutes on each side. Look at the lovely brown crust that's forming. Don't get too impatient, they're nearly ready. After 8 minutes in total, take them out of the pan and let them sit for a few minutes before you devour them. This helps them to stay nice and moist on the inside. And if you want to bake these, you can place them into a 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 15 minutes. Now enjoy your burgers however you like. For my keto friends, use some lettuce in place of bread and spread your favorite sauce at the bottom. And then add your cheese-topped burger, and then add some more sauce and even some avocado or zabuka as we say in Trinbago, and wrap it up and enjoy. Instead of mincing the shrimp, you can also pan fry them whole. Here I have 2 toasted challah buns and I'm adding my soca sauce to it. Add some lettuce, the shrimp burgers or the grilled shrimp, and add whatever toppings you like. So you can add onions, raw or caramelized, tomatoes, zabuka or avocados, cheese, and the list goes on. And enjoy. For my keto friends, I'll leave the macros in the description box for you, as well as the full list of ingredients that you'll need for the recipe. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to leave me all your comments, questions, and suggestions in the comment box below. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of every single video that I post. And I will have the keto playlist in the description box for you, as well as in the cards above. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!